in 2022 before my diagnosis. We're focusing living a normal life because that was post-pandemic. The important in my life was my family, health namin, lagi kami magkakasama, at yung future namin together po. Pag naisipan namin mag-mall, without hesitation pupunta kami kasi tapos before nung anniversary namin, wedding anniversary, nagpa-dentist ako. My dentist asked me if kung meron kaming sakit sa dugo kasi sobrang nag-bleed yung gums ko that time. After weeks, may lumalabas na ng mga bruises, mga petechiae, yung red dots sa skin. Tapos, sabi nila, maputla na ako. Kasi birthday nung lola ni Troy na namatay. So, we're going to Caloocan to visit her in cemetery. Tapos, nagkalagnat ako nung bago yun. One day, my doctor said it was a dengue. Pero 3 days na admission, hindi nag-improve yung labs ko. Mababa pa rin yung platelet ko. So, he referred me to a hematologist. Within that day, nalaman namin na I have leukemia. Hindi ko alam kung iiyak ako o anong gagawin ko. Parang naghahanap ako ng tao na pwedeng lapitan. Nakita ko yung asawa ko. Nilapitan niya ako. Inakap niya ako. Tapos, pares kaming umiyak. Nalalaman namin na may leukemia. Sabi niya, kailangan natin gumaman. We have to fight. We have to move on. We have to accept para sa healing. Ayun po. Nagpunta kami kay Dr. Messina. Sa upon checking, sinabi niya yung mga gagawin sa akin, yung chemo, yung mga gagamitin na gamot, tapos kung anong mangyayari after. Bawat cycle, mas sabi ko na mas pinapalakas niya ako. Yung faith namin mas lumalakas, yung tiwala namin kay Lord. The treatment lines I have before Optim AI was 4 lines of treatment. Dr. Messina, sabi niya, hindi nag-work yung treatment ko. So, in-offer niya yung Optim AI sa amin. Nung una, nagda-doubt kami dahil because sa dami ng treatment lines na na-try ko, hindi namin na-imagine na mag-ka-achieve ako ng deep remission. Sobrang nagpapasalamat kami sa Optim AI kasi meron pa palang treatment lines na para sa akin, yung mga combinations na yun ay makakatulong nila sa akin kundi para sa iba na missing case ni leukemia. You have to fight not only for yourself but also for the people he supports and believes in. My family supported me every way, financially, mentally, spiritually. Hindi nila ako iniiwan, kinapalakas nila ang loob ko. And lagi silang nandyan whenever I need them. Always. Thank you so much to the people who's joining, watching my crowdfunding. I lost my eyesight on my right eye. But I still live. Yun yung mahalaga.